Strange that this whole entire area here is not filled with anybody really enjoying themselves. I'm always wary whenever somebody comes too close, ready to knock somebody out if necessary. But this was another landmark location I wanted to visit, but it looks so run down. It's unfortunate. It is a castle from Arabic or Moorish times. I could go up to it, but from the distance here I could see it's in obvious disrepair and poor condition. And to think these were once holy grounds, but completely abandoned, like much of Palermo. So I'm not going to bother. And also because I'm hurting a lot, I'm going to move on to my next destination.